Everyone, today I will show you with the Python basic math game. I will present you. I will try my best present quickly. So basically we have here importing libraries. So we start by importing the required libraries such as random string, OS, which is here, and also function from code for math, right? So and we are and here we connect Google Drive using Google Colab's utility to provide access to files stored in Google Drive. So we have here again a definition. I mean the function check store. So basically, I call it this function so that the user can check their previous score stored in a text file, which is we call score.txt. If the file exists, it reads the score and greets the user with their final score. Otherwise, it welcomes the users, so never any bad behavior. So we have here another one. So function is called my math test. And what we do here, so this function creates a simple like a simple math test question with random numbers and operators, which is like it asks the user to enter the answer and checks if it's correct. So if true, it's increase the user score. Otherwise, it will be reduced. So this is how it's work actually. So we actually show here like if so it's like if operator equaled plus, and result gonna show you, they're gonna calculate and of course they're gonna print you, right? As you can see the here results, right? So it's print here. What else? So we have here the main one. So the main, like this function, so we have while true and we have here while true, so it's gonna keep ask. So how it's gonna work? So it is the main function that controls the flow of the program, right? So it calls my math test, which is here. So repeat, like it's gonna be repeatedly until the user decides to exit, which is no, I mean the end. So after finishing the test, it displays the final score and saves it in the score.txt file we specified. Okay. And also we have discriminant, which is you can see here is actually it's also like kind of basic like math. So this function calculates the discriminant of a quadratic equation given its coefficients. Also the historically this one actually also the first person to use and find the equation is Ömer Khayyam, which is Iranian mathematic person. So it's also probably very smart to find ours the first quadratic equations, right? We have here solve quadratic. The solve quadratic, like this is another function. So this is like this one actually doing like this function solves a quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. So actually we have here formula, right? So you can see the formula ours what we did, and also we have of course some of the strings like print for to see the results or the answer. Like this one prints the solutions. Actually it also writes the equation and solution to a file, right? And we have check score here, check score main. So we call actually this is the actually we call, like if we need one more time, so we can call here, like we call here, right? So basically we have like a max score, like this variable stores the maximum score achieved by the user, right? What else I can tell you? Well, to apply this one, the code starts by checking the user's previous score, right? So it then runs the math test using the main function definition function. allowing the user to continue or exit. Okay, so finally it prompts the user to enter hold on, just let me run it to show you also. So finally it prompts the user actually to enter coefficients for a quadratic equation. So we're gonna connect the Google Drive. And also overall, this code serves as a simple interactive math game. Hold on, let me just quickly connect it. Right. Like overall, actually, this code serves as a simple interactive math game where users can solve math questions and quadratic equations, and their scores can be saved on updates. And I think it's a lot of fun. I hope you enjoy it too. Right? It's just an example. I will just show you how it's basically work. So we have the first question here, 8 times 4. So we're gonna answer, we're gonna answer 32. We're gonna enter, and it says, congratulations, you are pro. So it's just ask us, do you want to continue? This is the yes, and if no, you're gonna just put N. So do I want? Yes, I do. So 2 times 3, so it's gonna be 6. And I'm gonna, again, I keep going, skip one, and until I decide to say it's no, right? So what is it? 9 times 7, so it's gonna be 63, right? So now I'm pro. Well, it's not only just I can also show you probably if there's gonna come any other math, not only times. Hold on. Right, so we can gonna plus right now. 6 plus 7, 1 is gonna be 7. I'm gonna keep going. So it's gonna well, still it's asking me like this, but I'm gonna answer. Let me say yes. All right, 12, and I'm gonna say no. Then it's just gonna quadratic equation, which is Ömer Hayyam found this one, the first person to use this. So we're just gonna basically definite of the which is the question we don't know, like A, B, C. So I'm gonna give A 2, I'm gonna give B 5, and I'm gonna give C 8, and it's gonna give the answer basically, and it's gonna say that your quadratic equation is here, you can see, and also the discriminant is negative. We got a pair of complex solution. This is how it's work. I hope you like it. I'm really excited to get feedback. Thank you so much.